Hi, I'm Melissa Matthews with the APH Connect Center. Welcome to our Bringing Braille Basics Home series. In this video, we will learn letters K through T. The second 10 letters of the alphabet are formed by adding .3 to each of the first 10. Let's get started creating some Braille using Perky Duck. SimBraille will allow you to see all 6 dots of the Braille cell. The Braille cells that are being used will have larger black dots, and the cells not being used will be small black dots. You will use your keyboard. It uses 6 keys corresponding to the Braille cell to create the Braille letters we will learn today. Locate the letters F, D, S, J, K, L on your keyboard. F is dot 1, D is dot 2, S dot 3, J dot 4, K dot 5, L dot 6. Practice pressing 2 keys simultaneously. This will need to be done to create the letters. Okay, let's get started creating some Braille. Using your left hand, place your fingers on dot 1, 2, and 3. Using your right hand, place your fingers on dot 4, 5, and 6. First, we will create the letters K, L, and M. To make the letter K, press dot 1 and 3. Practice this 5 times. K, 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 K. To make the letter L, press dot 1, 2, and 3. Practice this 5 times. L, 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 L. To make the letter M, press dot 1, 3, and 4. Practice this 5 times. M, 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 M. Wonderful. Let's make some letter combinations. Kick, K, I, C, K. Lame, L, A, M, E. Llama, L, L, A, M, A. Amazing job. Let's move on to some letters, N, O, and P. To make the letter N, press dot 1, 3, 4, and 5. Practice this 5 times. N, 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 N. To make the letter O, press dots 1, 3, and 5. Practice this 5 times. O, 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 O. To make the letter P, press dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's practice this 5 times. P, 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 P. Let's make some letter combinations. The word Pope. P, O, P, E. Nope. N, O, P, E. Nap. N, A, P. Nice work. Let's move on to the letters Q, R, S, and T. To make the letter Q, press dot 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Practice this 5 times. Q, 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 Q. To make the letter R, press dots 1, 2, 3, and 5. Practice this 5 times. R, 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 R. To make the letter S, press dot 2, 3, and 4. Practice this 5 times. S, 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 S. To make the letter T, press dot 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's practice this 5 times. T, 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 T. Great. Let's make some letter combinations. The word noise. N, O, I, S, E. Test. T, E, S, T. Motel. M, O, T, E, L. Congratulations! You have finished Lesson 2. Practicing will help you be able to press the keys together to make the Braille letters. Below the video, you will find a document to further practice your Braille skills. In the next lesson, we will be learning the last 6 letters of the alphabet.